What's up guys, Lon here from Android Authority, and Avengers Endgame is in theaters now, and if you haven't seen it, you definitely should. It's an amazing film, and to commemorate that film, Oppo has released an Avengers Endgame edition of the F11 Pro. Now, we've already reviewed this phone, so if you haven't seen that review and you want to know more about it, we'll have that review linked for you in a card above. But let's get into it. We're going to unbox the F11 Pro Avengers Endgame edition and show you what you get with the phone and, of course, the phone itself. The first thing you're going to notice is that the Endgame Edition box is a pretty standard black box, but it does have the Avengers logo largely printed on the front and Avengers Endgame on the sides of the box. Once you open up the box, the first thing you are greeted with is this collection certificate with a commemorative Avengers Endgame gold colored metal coin. Again, you have the Avengers logo on the front, and then on the back of the coin you have Avengers Endgame, only in theaters. The next thing you get is the phone itself inside of a plastic sleeve that lists a few of the specs on the front, but we're going to set this off to the side for just a second and see what else you get. The next interesting item that you get with the Endgame edition is a case. This is a soft touch faux leather-like case with a Captain America shield on the backside, and the outer ring of the shield can be lifted outwards to be used as a kickstand, or you can slide your finger through it to make it a lot harder to drop your phone. Inside of the case is a soft touch material so that your phone doesn't get scratched up, and it also has the Avengers logo printed on it. Not gonna lie, it's a pretty sweet looking case. Everything else that comes with the phone is pretty standard stuff and a little less exciting. You of course have your reading materials, a micro USB cable with support for VOOC fast charging, a pair of included earbuds, which is kinda nice, and finally the charging brick. Now it's time for what you've all came here for, and it's the phone itself. I gotta admit, it looks pretty freaking amazing. It is Captain America themed just like the case, so the back glass is blue with a hexagonal pattern etched into the glass and a red Avengers logo. There's also a smaller Avengers logo printed on the housing of the camera module. The power button is red to further accentuate the Captain America red and blue theme, and if you look closely, there's a small Marvel logo printed in the bottom left side of the frame. There is a Marvel Avengers theme that comes pre-installed with the software, but all it changes is your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. Otherwise, it's the same exact software as any other F11 Pro. So that's it for this quick unboxing slash hands-on or first impressions of the Oppo F11 Pro Avengers Endgame Edition. Let us know what you guys think of it down in the comments below, and please don't spoil the Endgame. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.